Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made a Pottery Barn candle holder. Alright, so I did this for practically no money at all. They sell a candle holder made out of a block of wood that's 3 inches by 3 inches for $99. When I looked at it, all it was holes drilled onto the top of the wood for you to insert your candlesticks. I thought, hey, I've got some scrap lumber. Let's make this. You ready? Let's go, guys. All right, so these are the items that I used to get started to make my candle holder. I needed a block of wood, so I found this scrap piece of wood that was cut off a post. Mine is 5.5 inches. Now the one on Pottery Barn is 3. All right, so mine's a little more chunky, but I like it that way. So then I need my drill. I need a bit to drill the hole. And of course, I need some candles. So let's get started. All right, so I want to decide how I want my candles laid out. So I'm just going to stand them up and try to figure out where I'm going to draw a circle around them. So let me figure out which design I want and where I want my candles to be. Okay, that looks kind of cute like that too. That's with 5 candles. So I just want to kind of measure from the edges about where I would want my candles to be. Let me see. So this piece of wood is 21.5 inches. So let's see. Yeah. So it looks like it's about right. So now I need to measure from the edge to the center of the candle. Yeah. So it looks like I have it pretty good. It looks lined up really well. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to take my pen and I'm going to trace around where I have the candle at. That way I know where to drill the hole. Okay, so I'm going to carefully hold the candle in place and trace around it like that. Okay. Careful they don't all fall on me. Let me trace from that last one. Okay. So now I have all of the circles drawn on my wood. And I am going to drill those out. So what I have, okay, is I have this. So these are different spade drill bits. I think I'm going to maybe start with the smallest one. So let me see how that measures up to the size of my candles. Okay. This looks really sharp. I don't want to get hurt. Okay, so this says 5/8 of an inch. Just gonna hold it up to the bottom here. And it actually looks like it's pretty close to the size of the bottom of that candle. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm going to try this one first, 5/8. Because I don't want to make the hole too big. And then the candles will be, you know, wobbling around in there. I want it to fit somewhat snug. All right, so now I've moved my block of wood outside so I could drill the holes. I have my leather gloves, my drill, and my drill bit is now in the drill. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do two sides, the opposite sides of each other. I'm going to drill holes. So I'm going to do 5 holes on one side and 6 on the other. By doing it this way, now I have the option of having 2 different centerpieces with 1 block of wood. All right, so now that I have all of the holes drilled, now I'm going to take my little hand sander with 80 grit sandpaper and I am going to smooth out all the sides of this wood block. Okay guys, so now I have my block all sanded on all sides. It's nice and smooth. So now I'm going to stain it. I'm going to be using Minwax Provincial Stain and I'm going to be putting it on with that little 2-inch chip brush. All right, guys, so now that our stain has fully cured, it's time to put our candle inserts. So you can buy these really cute little inserts on Amazon. It's for woodworkers who make candlesticks. They're called candle inserts, okay? Let me show you the package that I got. You get a bunch of them in here. I think I got 25 of them for $10. And this is the brand that I got right here off of Amazon. Okay. So, now, look at how much better that looks. So, here's all my holes drilled. I even sanded this. But the insert, it just gives it that finished look. Look at how nice that looks. It makes your candlestick holder look so much better. You don't have to have them. My candles stand up in here just fine. I just thought for, you know, a couple of bucks, I really can step it up and make it look like the Pottery Barn. Because the Pottery Barn one, they drilled the holes and they actually used inserts also. So, since we're going for that look on a budget, I figured we would go ahead and get these inserts. So, I'm just going to glue them in with hot glue. So, I'm just going to put some hot glue around the edge and then stick them in the holes. Ooh, hot. But yeah, so it's that simple. So we're just going to take our inserts. Oops. We're just going to take our inserts and we're going to put glue all around here like that and then pop them in the hole, okay? So let me do that. All right, so I have all of my rings glued. Okay, so now it looks really nice and professional. So let's put our candlesticks in. So these are battery operated candlesticks from Walmart. Like it's like $6.99 or something. They're just some inexpensive candles that you can buy really cheap that have a remote control. Here's the remote. And voila. So now I have a really cool candle centerpiece. I love it. I'm going to use it in my outdoor kitchen for Thanksgiving and Christmas celebrations. Look at this. It's perfect because I have grandkids and really I could not put live flames on a table with grandkids. Them boys would be reaching for that flame, but I don't need to worry because these are so perfectly safe. And I love that they have a remote because it's like, okay, we're ready. Okay, we're done. Okay, we're ready. Okay, we're done. Well, you get the point. I didn't want to have to sit there and turn each candle on and off. And these were like so cheap. I mean, like really cheap. I got 6 of them for like $10 on Walmart.com. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So as you can see, I have my candlestick holder on the table and I love it. I love the way it looks. I love that it's rustic looking and I love that I made it for a fraction of the price. So the one on Pottery Barn that I absolutely love is $100. It's $99 plus tax. This one I made for just for the price of the little inserts. I got a pack of 25 of them for I think $9.99 on Amazon. The wood was free. The stain was free. I already had these candles. These are candles that you can get at Walmart, anywhere really. They're very inexpensive. These are the battery operated candles. So look at that. Now you don't have to do the same design as I did. I did the zigzag because that's how they have it on Pottery Barn. But you do any design you like on your wood. And remember, I did 2 sides. So one side has 5 candles. And then when you roll the candlestick all the way over, you'll see on the bottom over here, I have 6 candlestick holders. So get creative and make your own. I love it. I love the way it looks. It was easy to make and really fast. And personally, I love the rustic look. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.